Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial you'll learn how to create backdrop app bar for Flutter. Let's start it. Copy these dependencies and open your Android Studio or VS Code. Open pubsec.yml file and paste here. Click pubget. Open main.dat file. Here import here backdrop app bar and backdrop. Now create a scaffold backdrop scaffold. Backdrop app bar. Front layer, back layer, we can set here back layer height, header height, now run this code. And if you have any problem, comment below or email me. If you want to learn more about Flutter, check our Flutter playlist video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.